Hello, hi everyone. Today I will explain you how to convert intraday order to cash and carry and vice versa in stocks, index options, cover orders, in these options from MIS to CNC and CNC MIS. Now I'll take you to Zerodha interface. Go to your dashboard and then go to positions and see if there is see those positions that you made today. If that is an intraday, then you can convert to a cash and carry. If that is cash and carry, you can convert to intraday. Now go to your positions in your Zerodha index and select this options button, three dots button next to your instrument. Then you will see an option called convert. When you click on it, if that was an cash and carry order, then it will allow you to convert into MIS. And if that is MIS, then it will allow you to convert into cash and carry, provided that you have sufficient balance in your funds. And to check the margin required, you just go to margin Zerodha margin calculator and do the estimation on how much amount of money is needed for them to be converted from intraday to cash and carry. And you can also have a feature like suppose you have made an order of 45 quantity. Here you don't need to convert. If you don't want to convert all the entire schemes, you can just change the number of stocks and convert them based on your amount of funds that is available, or maybe depending on your requirement. And along with that, I also want to mention that you will not be allowed to convert your cover orders to normal or cash and carry or MIS in this position. And you can only convert your sell MIS to CNC if you have sufficient holdings, sufficient funds in your balance. Index options, or actually index options by positions particularly, cannot be converted into normal. You will be only you will not be able to convert them uh, only by positions to normal due to broker level OI restrictions from SEBI. It is not just limited to kite, it is applicable for all the brokerages that are in the market. You cannot convert MIS index option by positions to normal directly from by using this conversion option, but you will have to exit the positions and make new entries as your normal entries. That's all for today. We have also started the pre-market analysis and post-market analysis, and we are releasing the videos regularly. Please, if this message is if this video is useful for you, or if you please subscribe and like. Do not forget to share with your friends and colleagues if that is helpful for them. And please try to watch this pre-market and post-market analysis regularly. That will give you some kind of insights for your trading. Thank you so much. Bye everyone.